Hey guys, we're going to talk about a type of DVD that's going to be a home run for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we work on growing our businesses together. Today I got a fun type of DVD for you guys. Now this is just a specific niche of sports DVDs that I wanted to highlight for you because it's the season and they're actually selling really well, whether it's new or used. If you can't tell by the hat that I'm wearing of the 2016 World Series champion Chicago Cubs.
This is going to be a tough play. The Cubs win the World Series!
I'm talking about baseball DVDs and more specifically World Series DVDs for the teams. You'll be surprised at how well these DVDs sell. Now this one is just Game 7 for the San Francisco Giants right here. This is a 2-disc set. This one is sealed actually. I got this for $1.29 not too long ago. And this one goes for like $30. Some people have them listed at like $60 or $40 new, but you should be able to get like $30 for this one. And the used ones will go for like $15 to $20 for that set. And that one is not even that special compared to some of them that have sold recently, because the ones that you really want to find are the ones that have multi-disc sets. That one's just a 2-disc set, which is okay, but there are ones that cover like the whole World Series. They'll be like 7 to 9 to 11 discs, and those are the ones that you want to look for. For example, yesterday, the New York Mets 1986 set.
Mookie Wilson. Little roller up along first, behind the bag!
Sold for $40 plus shipping, and that one was used. A couple days ago, someone sold a 1975 Cincinnati Reds set for $60 plus shipping, and that person actually put it up for auction and only got one bid. They probably could have got a lot more money if they actually put it as a buy it now, but it sold for $60 used. You know what, since we're talking about baseball right now, let me know down in the comments what your favorite team is.
I got it! Yes! Hey, I called for that!
A 1979 Pittsburgh Pirates set just sold for $50 plus $13 shipping, and that one was used as well. Sadly, someone just undersold the Cubs World Series DVD set. It had 8 discs in it, and they sold it for like $24, brand new, free shipping. I wish I saw that one, otherwise I would have picked it up. If you guys have it for that cheap and you're looking to sell it, contact me. Cubbies! A used Boston Red Sox 2004 World Series set just went for $42 as well.
Roberts is going. Posada's throw. Roberts. Safe.
And here's one of the craziest ones I found. A 1987 Minnesota Twins World Series set went for $170 plus shipping. This one was sealed, but that is an insane price. So make sure you're keeping an eye out for these type of sets. And also I wanted to highlight some Blu-ray sets also do well in this category. The 2015 Kansas City Royals World Series Blu-ray that was sealed just went for $160 plus shipping. Now not all the Blu-rays are going to do well, just like not all of the DVDs are going to do well.
Vaughn into the windup in his first offering. Just a bit outside.
So make sure when you find them, scan them, see if they are putting out some good comps there. If not, pass on them. But it doesn't hurt to check them out if you see them on the shelf. So make sure you're checking out these World Series DVD discs, especially the ones that have like 10 to 12 discs in there. The ones that have a lot that are thicker, those are the ones that are going to be going for really good money right now. And before you head out, make sure you hit the like button down below. Also hit the subscribe if you're new to my channel, because I put out like 2 to 3 videos a week that always help you out around reselling. And also down in the comments, let me know if you sold any of these sets in the past. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Go Cubs.